This is a Topeak can or also bottle holder for a bike. As you see here, the bottle will fit in there as well as two different cans. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. How this works is really interesting. First of all, this is quite cheap. This part here is plastic and this part here is stainless. There's also some rubber on it, which is nice. But the most interesting part is on the bottom. There's a little button here. So when you press this stainless part here, you're pressing against a spring and then you can adjust it like so. That's about a centimeter, maybe 3/8 of an inch or so that you can adjust this. So if you make it small like that, which is just right for a sleek can, like this guy right here, fits in there perfectly. So if you want to take a sleek can with you on your bike trip, you can do that. Now, if you want to take, on the other hand, a standard size can, then all you have to do is adjust it open a little bit. So this button, it just presses on the threads there. You can toss then this normal size can in there, the standard. And if you want instead to bring a water bottle, just press the button, open it up all the way, and the water bottle fits in there perfectly, just like so. So that is the reason I like this. It's very economical, nice build, and easy to adjust. Thanks for watching the video, and if it helped, hit the little helpful button down below.